An oscilloscope allows us to see how an electrical signal changes over time. This is very useful for troubleshooting a circuit, debugging communications, or even just exploring and learning. The electrical signal is displayed as a waveform, with the y-axis representing voltage and the x-axis representing time. A digital scope like this one makes taking measurements very easy. We can see all of our current settings right here at the bottom of the screen. Right now, each vertical unit represents 1 volt, and each horizontal unit represents 200 microseconds. Even better, the scope automatically calculates some useful characteristics of the wave, such as its frequency, its period, or the time before the wave repeats itself, and its voltage, peak to peak. The horizontal and vertical scale controls allow us to zoom in on a particular part of the waveform and examine it more closely. And at any time, I can freeze the signal and scroll through horizontally to look for any changes that occur over a longer period. So let's say, for example, I would like to listen in on serial communication between a Bluefruit board and my Arduino. I just connect the scope's probe by clipping to ground and connecting the tip to my test point. Now I can see the actual binary data being sent out to the board. And because my scope has 2 channels, I can use an additional probe to simultaneously view the data being sent from the Bluefruit board. If the waveform appears unstable, I can change the point at which it begins sampling the signal by using the scope's trigger settings. So even though an oscilloscope looks impressively technical and a bit intimidating, using one actually makes electronics easier to understand. And they look pretty cool too.